All right, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Kozak. We just got in the car. We're about to be going to a car meet, but I got a little mod that I think every S550 owner should have. All right, so we just got it out the package called CarLink. So for my S550 owners that have the digital display, right? I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Anyways, if you have this, you need this in order to compete with the Camaro owners, because they just have theirs like that stock. But basically what this does is it allows you to connect to CarPlay via Bluetooth. So we're about to go ahead and set this up real quick, and then I'm going to show you guys how it works. And it's this little thing right here. So you're going to put it inside here, I believe, with your little USB dongle, and every time you get in, CarPlay should connect without Bluetooth, because you S550 owners know the struggle of using these wires from China, and then they constantly break. So we can finally get rid of that and put it in. Now I gotta clean this up real quick, the inside. So it's literally just plug it in. If you want to still charge your phone, I'm assuming you just connect it to that USB, and you just leave it in there. And it just connected, like it took like 5 seconds to connect, and it was a really easy setup. You just connect like to its Bluetooth, and that's it. Like, we're connected, like it's fully functional. It works. There's no delay. It feels exactly how it feels. I don't know if the audio is going to have a delay. Naturally, these Mustangs have a delay in their CarPlay. So, I mean, we're going to go ahead and test that, and I'll let you guys know because I'm about to go on a pretty long drive. But honestly, dude, this is such a game changer, man. I hated this. Like, this is the one thing I didn't like about the Mustang, is that I didn't have wireless CarPlay, and it's this easy to fix. Now, I used 2 coupon codes that I found on Amazon. This thing's around 125 bucks. I won't lie to you, it's pretty expensive. I know they have some older models and stuff. I just went with the newest one because I had 2 coupon codes that I used, and I was able to get this for 55 bucks. All right, so now we're about to be pulling up to a car meet, so I'm going to go ahead and catch you guys there. The rest of the video is going to be just a mini vlog, but I am going to keep telling you guys and updating you guys on how this works. So the audio delay is still there. I tested it just a little bit, but we're going to go ahead and see how fast it connects and everything like that. So, I mean, I'm looking forward to using this today, but I'm going to go ahead and mini vlog the rest of, today, like what happens today. So I'm going to go ahead and see you guys in a little bit. Toodles. All right, guys, so we're on the GoPro. We're at the meet now. We're about to go give the twins, Scruffy and Scruffy and Daniel, their presents. I'm not going to tell y'all which one's Scruffy, which one's Daniel, because y'all not going to be able to tell anyway. But we're going to go ahead and give them their presents for their birthday. We got some fire-ass presents because we're broke. And yeah, let's go ahead and hop into this meet, see what's here.
I swear that car wash did.
No, it made it worse. It made it worse, actually. Don't lie. Alright, hello Scruffy. Hello Scruffy. Hello Daniel.
What's up, guys?
Nice hoodie. Spin around for me. Yup. Yo, drop it. Drop it.
Dude,
Scruffy,
you know what's crazy?
bro.
You know what's crazy?
In, bro.
My dad just threw away a Fiesta size of Talkies, bro.
Yo, perfect, bro.
I went to Safeway. They had no Talkies. I was gonna buy like 5 bags out of spite.
That's perfect, bro.
Oh yeah, I'm about to give them away.
Yo, Daniel, and I got something for you for your Audi. Now, I know exactly. It's a part to fix it. What'd you blow besides your engine and the tranny?
A turbo.
I got you a turbo, bro.
Let's go!
I got you a turbo.
Oh, is this a sniff thing? Oh,
yeah.
hell yeah. This actually sick.
So yeah, now you have a turbo, bro. You're chilling. What y'all think about the tint?
Dude,
Make a big difference?
It's big difference. Big difference.
Yo, the most fire car right here of the meet. Look at that.
It's not even part of it. It's out of everyone's tax bracket out here. You guys are all freaking brokies.
Don't swear, bro. I'm PG.
Oh, freaking brokies.
There's some nice Apex wheels. Oh man, dude, the interior of these are so nice. The camera won't pick it up, but I love the wheels on this. Dude, this M3 is fat. Dude, I love the gloss black accents. That's a nice clean on the wheels.
It's like a oil.
Yeah,
like how it's clapped?
headlight.
You like how it's clapped?
It's not clap, man.
It's clapped.
Nice, bro.
The bumper be pulling off, dog. It's clapped.
I can paint it nice.
No, you can, bro. I've seen your paint job on your Supra. It doesn't even match. Only Mercedes you'd ever get? Have you seen these with the wide body? Dude, what the hell? I did not know the interiors look like that.
What the? That looks like a spaceship.
Dude, look at those taillights.
Those taillights are crazy.
They look so good though, man. Like,
I love the front end.
yeah, dude, especially once you lower these, like, they look great. Let me get this next. Interiors are nice in these.
It's interior, but it's like really lackluster.
Dude, if you think about it, it's just a better R8. Alright, calm down, Audi fanboy.
It's nice.
Oh, this guy has his windows down. I could take a better look inside.
What the? It's so hot. This is not good.
Those wheels are fast.
Let's go hit us. Oh, that sounds
I think that's a Type R.
That?
No, you guys are stupid. What are your thoughts so far on the meat?
On what?
On the meat?
On the meat? My car's not here, so it doesn't matter.
I go to the car meets to look at my own car. Hashtag stop infinity hate.
Honestly, this might be my next car.
Which car? C6? A C6?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Or Stang. I've been looking into Stangs too. Dana, where's your carbon fiber fenders?
Don't you need new fenders?
This isn't RS.
Don't you need new fenders? You might as well get carbon fiber ones.
Yeah, you're right. Like, this isn't
These
RS.
are fake.
Yeah, I know, that's how we usually do it. Are you serious? Yeah. They're so lame. But actually, this isn't RS. Just get a DRL.
Damn, bro, this guy puts them on exactly how I do, but I did mine slightly better for the first time. Won't lie.
Pat yourself on the back.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How many likes in this video for you to get a Mustang?
50,000 likes.
50,000 is crazy. I wouldn't mind a C6 either. The only thing is that I don't know if I'd get the C7 headlights. I love the C7 headlights, but like,
I think that makes a C6.
I like the C6 ass, but I like the C7 front. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
But I don't know if I'd combine them.
Overall, I like this a lot.
Yeah, but this like car is really low. For me to be getting into it, I'd have like arthritis after a year.
Bro, for me, it's perfect. 5.9.
All right, so Daniel pulled up with this. Daniel rep.
Yours?
Yeah.
Bruh.
GTR lineup's crazy. Dude, I honestly don't like painted wheels. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know, man. I like the C8s, but C7s are so nice too. The interior's nice. It's awesome, man. Crazy. Oh, I like the rear sticker. Rear sticker's fire.
I like the Bondo on the side.
You should get this. You should get this exhaust on your RS3. Low key, that'd be fire. This is a really unique color. I don't know how I feel about that interior though. It's a really nice color though. I won't lie. All right, now time for the real meat. It is a 50R. Or at least he has the license plate of it. I swear it looks like one, but I don't really know the difference. But I know the R is a lot more sought after than just a normal 350. I was thinking about getting like similar wheels for my Mustang, of those. But those are way too deep.
Man, these cars so see, I feel like fucking a dude.
Yellow fog lights. These wheels would be nice on my car too, I'm not gonna lie. Just a normal 7-spoke. Nice ducktail black accents. His carbon fiber cracked off. These are some interesting wheels. Florida. 6 probably loud.
You should paint my car. I need
The silver's nice. PP1. Oh, it's 2015, 17. I didn't even notice on the front.
This one's a manual.
Huh?
I think this one's a manual.
It is. Man, actually quite a bit of GTs here. Oh, kitty. Yeah.
Yo, where his hood at, bro? Look at him.
Can't have shit.
I'd love this guy for real.
No, you're wrong.
That's how real.
All right, what's up, guys? I enjoyed the car meet. It actually had some interesting cars and stuff, had some interesting interactions, so I'm hoping the video turned out good. I'm hoping it's going to turn out good in edit and stuff. Now, about this thing right here, the Apple CarPlay and stuff. So, I want to just say right away, it is amazing not having to connect my phone every time. However, it didn't connect once, which is completely alarming because that little thing that's in here cost $125. So $125 to get something to be wireless that I already have, that's a lot of money. Now, I didn't pay that much. I paid $50. But, like, that's still a lot of money for it not to work. All I had to do was replug it real quick, and then it reconnected and did its thing. But it took a while. Aside from that, it's worked flawless every time. It's connected, and it's been really good. But I do have to warn you guys, it didn't connect once. I mean, I'm going to get a little bit, like, more feel with it over the next few days. If it keeps messing up, I'm probably going to send it back and just use the wire because I don't want problems connecting. Like, it took me, like, 10 extra minutes to leave a place because this thing wouldn't connect. I was giving it time, then I had to reconnect it, wait and stuff, and it's just not something you'd expect from a product that costs $125 normally. That's kind of crazy. And on their website, I believe it costs like $160. But, like, it's on sale right now. That's all I'm going to say, though. It's an amazing item otherwise. And, I mean, like, I feel like everyone should have this item. But for the one that I have, it's by the company CarLink. I would say, you know, maybe give me a little while to keep testing it. Because I already had an issue on the first day of using it on, I think it was the third or fourth startup with my car. I think fourth startup with my car. So, I mean, it's very alarming for me. But, I mean, take it as you will. I mean, it's just a quick replug and stuff. But for $125, I mean, I'd expect a cheap item like $20 maybe for it to not work every time, and then I'd be fine with that. But $125 is insane, guys. Other than that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and everything. And we got some future things planned for some upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you could watch those. I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys later. I'm gonna sign out now. Toodles.